Welcome to your weekend forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. Plenty of blue sky on offer for most parts of the country this weekend. There's always going to be one or two exceptions, and certainly overnight we're expecting the cloud to increase over the far north. Some patchy cloud over central parts of the mainland, and we could just see the mist and low cloud returning to parts of the southeast as well. But where skies stay clear, it will turn pretty chilly. We could easily drop down well into single figures, maybe only a hint above freezing in some rural spots. But most towns and cities starting at 5 or 6 Celsius on Saturday, and the sun will soon start to lift those temperatures as well. Could start a bit misty and murky around some coasts, and I suspect the far north will be pretty drab for most of Saturday. Could even see a few spots of light rain and drizzle at times over the Northern Isles, and that cloud just at times drifting into the Western Isles and maybe onto north-facing coasts of the mainland too. But most places dry. Some cloud will bubble up inland over central parts and the south too, but generally it's a day of sunny spells for the vast majority, and we'll see the temperatures responding to that sunshine as well. Now, eastern coasts will be again pretty fresh, 15 say in Aberdeen, and with that thicker cloud over the Northern Isles, 12 or 13 here. But where we see some sunshine, high teens, low 20s in the southwest. Could get up to 23 Celsius in one or two places. With light winds, that's going to feel pretty warm. A fine Saturday evening for the majority. Just the likelihood of the Ha just spreading back further south, so making for a grey start to Sunday, and so a greater chance of that Ha sticking to some of the coast around Aberdeenshire, Caithness, Sutherland through the day. Again, many inland areas dry and fine with lengthy spells of sunshine. Again, the Northern Isles mostly fairly dull with the possibility of a little drizzle. But elsewhere, staying dry and staying pretty warm again in the sunshine across the southwest, 22, 23 degrees. That east coast, well, will struggle to get much beyond the low teens, particularly if it does stay fairly dull and misty. Not much change in the outlook as well. High pressure continues to dominate, so staying pretty dry for a good part of next week as well. Goodbye.